All right, let's do some unboxing. This is a collab of MiniGT and Kaido House. Yeah, it's nice. This is designed by Jun Imai. This is the purple and the green. So I hope I can pull a chase here. So good luck. We'll open it. Let's go. Try this too. Wait. Oops, sorry. Let's check the package first. Culture for all scales. Kaido House and MiniGT. Nice. With holo. 510 Pro Street. I like the package. Nice. So let's go. We'll open this one. So this was addressed to me. They have it fragile. All right, let's go. I'll get to this two first. Cha-chan. All right, let's go. Let's unbox. Let's start with this purple. Yeah, I hope we got the chase here. Wait, let me cut this one. Nice box. Good luck. Put it there. See that? And this is sealed. Yeah. I don't want to cut this tape. Let me get it like this way. Oh, this is hard. Alright, I got it. Okay, good. Next one. I hope I don't damage the box. I should have just cut it. Oh, I just cut it. Oh, it's white. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Look. Here we go. This one. Purple. Kaido House, MiniGT. Let's focus. Opening hood. Nice. Down here. Let's get the green one. Oh, this one has damage. Oops. This is hard. Good. Okay. Good. The green one. Ta-da. Nice green. I like the decals. Advent wheels. And plate number 510. Options, Auto Salon. With Grady, OKW, Jun Imai, Yokohama, Kaido House, and their famous number 0. Let's open the hood. Yeah, Grady. Let's see the other. It's yellow and the other one is red. Oh, so it's nice. I like it. All right, that's all. We're done. Thanks everyone for. Oops, wait. Oh, Koyo Red. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. So I'm gonna try to unbox this 4 and see if I can get a chase. So that's nice. Bye. Peace out.